Hey YouTube, it's Easy Prepper 101. Today we are doing our Fatwood Friday Burn. Wanted to do this video last week, but I was under the weather sick, and also my dog Mocha was under the weather, had a little cough cold. I posted it on my Instagram, so thanks for everyone who reached out, because I wanted to do this video last week, but kind of meant to be that for my first Fatwood Friday Burn is also Good Friday. So I'm going to dedicate my first burn for anyone who has maybe been sick or maybe needs that fire to build them up for the weekend and over the next week and so. But this is for everyone out there. All right, got my one match here. We're going to light for the first Fatwood Friday. Now that the fire is going, just want to wish everyone, with Easter being this weekend, hopefully everyone has a good Easter. Get to spend time with their family, friends. Um, Thanks for all the support out there, and once again, happy Fatwood Friday.